Hi everyone, if you have been using the Qwen app and wondering on how to turn off notifications on it, then this tutorial is for you. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn off notification in the Qwen app. So let's dive right in. First of all, find the settings app of your mobile phone and after that, open it. After opening the settings app, scroll down until you find the apps. Now tap onto apps button and again scroll down and find the Qwen app. Just like this, now tap on it. Now here you can find there is no notification option on the Qwen app. So it means there will be no any notifications that you will get on your mobile phone. And that's it. You will not get any notifications on the Qwen app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.